This is the exact topic that separates beginners from intermediate Russian speakers. In English, you just say I go, but Russians has different verbs for almost every single type of movement. One for going in one single direction, right now, and one for going back and forth or going regularly. Get this core concept right, and your Russian instantly jumps on a full level. Today, verbs of motion will break you no more. Let's look at the baseline rule on foot: идти versus ходить. Number 1, идти. It's unidirectional. This means moving on foot in one single direction right now. For example, я иду в магазин. I am walking to the store right now. You are currently on the street, heading towards the store in one direction. The number 2 is ходить, multidirectional, habitual. This means walking back and forth, making a round trip or doing it regularly as a habit. For example, я хожу в магазин каждый день. I walk to the store every day. Or, if you made a round trip in the past, вчера я ходил в кино. Yesterday I went to the cinema. Look at this paper. One direction equals идти. Back and forth or repeated trips equals ходить. That is entire foundation. Everything else in Russian verbs of motion is just applying this exact same logic to different modes of transport and adding prefixes. Now, let's see how this rule works when you get into a car or a train. What happens if you're not walking but traveling by vehicle? Russian changed the verb root entirely. Instead of идти or ходить, we use ехать and ездить. Ехать is the vehicle equivalent of идти, one direction by transport right now. For example, я еду в Москву. I'm driving or riding to Moscow right now. But the different verb ездить is the vehicle equivalent of ходить, repeated trips, habitual transport or round trips. For example, я езжу в Москву каждый месяц. I go to Moscow every month. See how simple the system is. Walking is идти or ходить, transport is ехать or ездить. Now, here's where it gets really interesting and powerful: prefixes. When you attach tiny prefix to a front of a motion verb, you add a specific direction to a movement. Let's look at the two most crucial prefixes first. The prefix при is arrival. On foot it's прийти, to arrive on foot. Example, он пришел домой. He arrived home on foot. By transport, приехать, to arrive by vehicle. Example, поезд приехал. The train arrived. The prefix у, departure or leaving. On foot is уйти, to leave or walk away. Example, она ушла. She left on foot. By transport is уехать, to leave by vehicle. Example, они уехали. They left by car. The prefix adds the directional vector, while the base verbs tells you how the person traveled. Let's add a few more prefixes to complete your toolkit. Let's add 3 more essential prefixes. В or во means entering, войти, to walk in. Вы means exiting, выйти, to walk out. До means reaching a destination, доехать, to reach a place by vehicle. Now, let's test your brain. I will say 4 sentences in English. You have to choose the correct Russian verb form. Take a deep breath. Ready? Number 1. I am walking to school right now. Answer is идти or я иду, because it's on foot right now and in one direction. Number 2. She goes to the gym 3 times a week. Right, answer is ходить or она ходит, because it's a repeated habitual action. But number 3, we are driving to the beach tomorrow morning. Right, the answer is ехать or мы едем because it's by vehicle in one direction. Number 4, my friend arrived yesterday by train. Right, the answer is приехать or приехал because it's arrival using transport. And tell me please in the comments how many did you get right. Tell me your score in the comments below. Once you understand that Russian verbs of motion are built like a logical Lego set, motive with travel plus directional prefixes, the whole system stops being scary. If you want to master all 14 pairs of motion verbs, download this week's Patreon pack. I've created the complete verbs of motion cheat sheet with the color-coded diagrams for every prefix, plus 25 practical exercises to cement this logic in your head forever. It's just $5 a month, and the link is in the description box right below. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Пока!